What's going on, YouTube fam? This is LC with Loyal Crypto. Thank you for joining me today. Now today, man, I think I got one of them tings. I'm telling you, is one of them tings. This is gonna be a game changer in the crypto space. So like, subscribe, and share, and let me jump into it. So today, I have a project that has been booming in the market and has been making a lot of waves. It is currently ranked number 2 for NFTs and is ranked number 60 for market cap. And the project, as you can see, is Chiliz, and the ticker is CHZ. Now, Chiliz has been making some waves, like I've been saying, man. I'm telling you, this thing is coming for Enjin coin, or it has partnered with Enjin coin, which is always a better relationship to have with the number one in the space. And I'll let you know why exactly I think Chiliz is booming right now. So as you can see here, we have a current price of 27 cents or 0.2754 and a circulating supply of 5.3 billion with a max supply of 8.8 billion. All right, so market cap right now, so yeah, this thing has done some numbers in this past week, and we're at $1,475,496,922. So let's go down to the chart. Alright, so I already have the 30 days here brought out for us, and as you can see, wave after wave after wave, this thing been climbing, right? Like, I haven't seen no slowdown. And shout out to one of my subscribers. They're the ones that put this on my radar last week. I just had so much editing to do, I didn't get a chance to drop this video as of yet, so finally I'm getting to shoot and drop it. As you can see here, just 30 days ago, we had a price of 2 cents on February 17th. Today, we're at 27 cents. Wow. All right, man, this thing has an all-time high of 31 cents. Let's go to the 24-hour just to see what we're doing. And it looked like it's doing some good consolidation now after that little dip that we're taking after it reached this all-time high, which is perfectly fine. It looked like it's just taking a breather. We didn't see a huge dip where I know some people are waiting for some buy opportunities, but as of right now, it looked like it just took a minor dip and is doing some consolidation. So I'll take you to the chart and I'll let you know what I'm seeing here in just a second, but let's go to the website. Okay, we're on the Chiliz website, and what I'm seeing here is a nice clean website, and let's dive into it. The world's leading blockchain fintech provider for sports and entertainment, Chiliz developed the Socios.com sports fan engagement platform, which is built on the Chiliz blockchain infrastructure and uses the CHZ as its exclusive on-platform currency. So right here immediately, you see a use case for the actual token. Okay, I can't tell you how great this is because a lot of tokens out there, they don't have any utility, and it's just standing there, and people that's holding the coins are only speculating that price is going to go up based off what the project is doing. With Chiliz, they're using their token to make sure it can provide some immediate utility, so it makes sense to hold the actual token because you can do things with it. Okay, now let's go into what they're doing. So what is Chiliz? Chiliz is the currency option for blockchain-backed products and services geared toward mainstream consumers. We want to elevate everyday experiences, fan engagement and entertainment, alternative payment solutions for conventional products, and more. Chiliz provides sports and entertainment utility with blockchain-based tools to help them engage and monetize their audiences. So they're actually partnering with sports teams to engage with the customers. This is huge. You have a fan token that actually has real world partnerships with some of the largest sports organizations in the world right now. It's not speculating that they want to do something, they're actually doing it. And day by day, they're having more partners come on board and engage with this token. As you can see here, you see all these football clubs, and these are actual official partnerships that they have today. And they haven't even come over to the United States as of yet. And I'm gonna get to that in a second because I still see a lot of upside. All right, we have here the Socios.com fan engagement platform is built from the ground up on the Chiliz blockchain infrastructure and uses CHZ as the exclusive on-platform currency. Socios.com allows fans to purchase branded fan tokens from some of the biggest and most renowned sports teams, I'm telling you, man, this is big, in the world, including FC Barcelona, and all these other sports clubs. I'm telling you, like, man, this thing is not just touching the winky dink teams. These things are touching top teams here, okay? Like, oh man, like, all right, let me get over to the Medium. Now here on Chiliz Medium, you have a digital currency for sports entertainment platforms, and they basically have a lot of different posts that you can dive into so you can stay updated on the sports teams that they're partnering with, and also just more things that's going on with the actual project. All right, now let me give you an article that I found with Chiliz and Enjin coin partnership. Okay, now Enjin's in Chile to develop NFT and digital sports. So Chiliz and Enjin to launch blockchain collectibles for sports and entertainment. Chiliz will use Enjin's blockchain development platform to create branded collectibles for their roster of partners. Now this news dropped on February 6th. It says Chiliz, world leader in blockchain-based fan engagement, today announced a collaboration with leading blockchain ecosystem developer Enjin to create branded digital collectibles for the sports and entertainment industry. Chiliz will utilize the Enjin platform to mint Ethereum-based collectibles for partners on their blockchain-powered fan engagement and rewards app Socios.com. Thanks to the new relationship, Chiliz will be able to create non-fungible tokens for their full roster of Socios.com partners, which already includes major football clubs, Juventus, Paris Saint-Germain, Atletico de Madrid, Galatasaray, AS Roma, Independiente, and back-to-back Dota 2 esports champions OG. Chiliz are primed to announce at least one more major partnership this month and are targeting 50 IPs by the end of 2020 from sports, esports, and the entertainment industry. So they're looking to even branch outside of football clubs. They're looking to branch more into other US sports as well. Like I said, they haven't even entered the US market as of yet, so I see huge upside here. And the entertainment industry. So now they have fan tokens and they're utilizing NFTs. So I think Chiliz can be a powerhouse within this industry. All Chiliz collectibles will be created using ERC 1155, a bleeding edge Ethereum token standard developed by Enjin, which is used to mint fungible and non-fungible tokens in a single smart contract. Backed by Enjin Coin, these collectible assets will be freely tradable on the Enjin marketplace and purchasable with both Enjin and CHZ. So you can actually utilize Enjin and Chiliz to buy some of these collectibles. So I think this is huge news for Enjin as well. So cheers to everyone holding Enjin. Alright, now I'm on Cointelegraph, and as you can see here, we have an article. Chiliz rallies 60% to $1 billion market cap as fan token offering expand. The success of AC Milan fan token launch and plans to expand in the United States support Chiliz 1000% rally over the past month. Now, everyone that was holding Chiliz, give yourselves a round of applause. You've seen this in advance. You guys are some geniuses. I'll give you a pat on the back. Let's go. So they're expanding to the United States market, and that's going to be some huge money that's coming into Chiliz. All right. So man, I think this thing has a future here now. This 2021 bull run is going to have some smoke. Alright, so non-fungible tokens and decentralized finance are two of the hottest concepts in the crypto sector, and each is altering the way projects and companies interact with the public on a wide scale. One project that is looking to apply these concepts into a framework for sports fan engagement is Chiliz, a blockchain platform created by the Socios fan engagement platform. The project is designed to allow fans to purchase branded fan tokens that let them influence their teams through the popular vote. According to the project website, all fan tokens are minted on the Chiliz blockchain, with one platform voting being executed through a series of smart contracts. Data from Cointelegraph Markets and TradingView shows that over the past month, the price of Chiliz has increased 760%, going from just 0.022 on February 8th to a new all-time high of 0.128 on March 8th. CHZ trading volume also hit a 24-hour record at $1.92 billion. Yeah, so it did all that on just the news of it coming to the US market. Now, think about this. What if Chiliz partners with the Lakers? What if Chiliz partners with the NFL Super Bowl champs. Man, what if Chiliz partners with the top teams in baseball? You understand what I'm saying? Once they start to see the numbers that they're doing overseas, oh my gosh, I see Chiliz, man, they're gonna drive the NFT market to all new realms of market share. I feel like this thing is going to, yeah, I think this thing going boom, man. Alright, now I'm over on TradingView and I have a 2-hour chart here on Chiliz, and I just want to do some quick analysis to see where I can buy in, because I'm not gonna lie to you, I did not hold any Chiliz, but I'm looking to actually correct that. So let's take a look at it. Actually, let me go back and show you guys where you can buy Chiliz. Alright, so I'm back on CoinGecko, and you see you can buy it on Binance, Upbit, Uniswap, Gate.io, CoinX, KuCoin, and of course you can buy it on all these other sites as well. I just tell you the exchanges that I have experience with. So yeah, as you can see, go on CoinGecko and scroll down to markets, and you can buy on all of these exchanges. Now let's get back to the technical analysis. So I have my fib extension drawn out, and I see the move started right around February 21, or I can go as far back as February 23rd if you guys want to get fancy with it. All right, so as you can see here, we have our 382 down at 20 cents. So if I'm looking for a bounce, I'm gonna look for it somewhere at the 20 cents mark. Okay, so I drew my 618 fib retracement line as well, and as we can see here is if we scroll in, you see that price action is looking to catch up to our baseline. Now for my baseline, I use a 50 EMA, and as you can see, this thing done pulled away from that. It's quite stretched, so I'm looking for price action to allow the baseline to catch back up, because they treat each other like magnets. All right, and it seems like the magnet will hit somewhere around our 382. What a coinkadink. So if I go to my indicators here, you see we're in extremely overbought regions, so I really never buy when it's over this. My pride just won't allow me. If you guys do, then you're more than welcome to. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but I'm going to wait until this to fall back within range, and when it trades within range, then it basically allows me to say, okay, it has now stabilized. And as you can see here, it looked like it's doing some good consolidation as of right now. So this circle here, that's doing some good consolidation. It looked like it's taking a little break. Now I'm not sure if it's gonna just chill out here for a second and then go to all new heights, because we don't know if this is our top. I'm speculating right now that this is our top. We don't know that as of yet, but as you can see, when it's made all its major moves, you see this volume spike in the candles. So just scrolling down, you can see this volume spike in the candle, and this is showing me what kind of volume is that. That's 1.3 billion in volume, and then you have a huge candle here as well. It looked like it turned bearish, but it has made new heights just from that amount of people trading, and that was 1.46 billion, all right, in volume. Now we don't have, it looked like it trickled off. We don't have that amount of volume as of right now for the next leg. So just if we look in the past, back on March 4th, if we can consider that the past, it was just a few days ago, but this is the bull market, and this is just the beginning of the bull market. So we're gonna start to see things like this. After it made this huge volume spike, we did some consolidations. It tapered off a little bit and then started to make its next wave up. So I'm gonna look for something along the same lines as this. So if I was to draw our fib retracement on this move, just looking at past performance, and that kind of not repeats, but it rhymes with the past. It looked like it made a move from the 382. It kind of almost came down to our 50% retracement. It bounced off our EMA. You see that? It bounced off the EMA and started making another leg up. So I say a nice zone, if it's going to continue to stay bullish in this type of matter, is going to be somewhere within somewhere within our 382 to 50% retracement to have a buying range. For me, that's what I'm going to be looking for. Now, I did a long-term retracement for this new height. Let me do a short-term retracement and see where that gets us. All right, so again, we do not know if this is the top as of yet. I'm just going off the information that I see here. We see that we have our long-term golden ratio here for our fib retracement, and then I'm going to draw another golden ratio at our short-term fib. All right, and that's the 382, and we have another one here at the 618. Now, these are three key areas that I'm going to be looking for to see where it starts to taper off and catches a breather, so we can find some buying opportunities. The loyal crypto community are not about buying tops. We like to find good entries, because if we find good entries, that's more ways for us to get more money. Okay, now let me look at the RSI really quickly. Again, I'm on the 2-hour chart. I trade on 2-hour charts, 1-hour charts, and I go as low as the 30-minute. And if we put our 50% line there, you can see that again, just like our trend indicator is showing that it is overbought, and the RSI is showing the same thing as well. It's tapering off back into range. Our trend indicator has not reached range yet, but our RSI has dipped back into range. But I'm looking to see when it's going to come down to the 50 line, or even better, because you know, like, I like to have the best buy possible. I don't know if it's going to do this, but if it comes down to our bottom, about to tap into oversold regions, that will be excellent for me to actually jump in this project. So I'm gonna see what the chart is doing, how it's moving, price action, and also volume, to see if we can even make it down here. But we might not even make it down. We might have to bounce off the 50. So bounce off the 50, hopefully it stabilizes, do something like this, so I can know, okay, it's solid, it's not gonna do a downturn like this. If it shows me enough movement along this 50 line, I'll feel comfortable enough to want to buy in wherever price action is once this level resets. But if this thing plays around on the 50 and then does something like this, or even better, something like this, if I see oversold regions, that is yum yums for me. Like, listen, that is holy ground for me when I see it dip into oversold regions, because of course nothing is safe when you're trading, but that is the safest point, because your RSI is showing that it's overstretched, it's oversold, meaning that it wants to trade within this range. So if I see anything like that, because it made such a huge run and it went to an all-time high, that is very possible to dip into that range. And just because it dips into this range doesn't mean the price is going to fall dramatically again. All it means is it's resetting, and it's showing that right now what price action has been telling the RSI is that it doesn't want to go into this zone. It's showing that, okay, it's being a little dramatic right now, being a prima donna, and let's get back into our motion, let's get back into our wave. And if it does anything like this and touches oversold regions, I'm definitely jumping in. So we'll see what happens with the RSI, see if it stabilizes around the 50 or it goes into oversold regions, but I'll be looking for both. And if you look back on the chart, I'll be looking at this 382 retracement, which we would get in at 0.2336, or our 50%, which is 0.2087, of our zones if we want to buy and get in this project. Now let me give you a price prediction for every one of the lucky winners that are in this project right now. Let me give you a nice outlook, because I'm very bullish on this project, even though I'm looking for a dip. Let me give you an outlook of where I think price is going to eventually go in the near short term. Alright, so I have my fib extension here, and I'm just gonna go from swing high to swing low. Alright, so let's draw that out. Now, as you can see, this already destroyed our 1.27 number on where I would have took profits. It went as high as the 1.618. I'm sorry I didn't cover this earlier, but yeah, we tackled that. And our next zones, it looked like we can, I mean, with the amount of steam and news coming behind this project, it looked like we can definitely hit 34 cents, or we can hit 41 cents. And that's just on our short-term fib extension, okay? So I'm predicting something like 41 cents is very doable. And if I wanted to be more conservative, I think it could definitely hit 34 cents in the near future. Like I'm saying, like by this weekend from when I'm recording this video, but let me be a little more adventurous and venture out a little bit. So just doing some basic analysis really quick. I'm gonna see where this thing is going on a more long-term basis. So I'm starting back in the beginning of January, and I'm gonna draw it out, just doing a fib extension from swing high to swing low, and I see my point there. I'm gonna drag it out to get a little more coverage on the chart, and yeah. So just like honestly, we made some massive gains already. I can see it going as high as 46 cents. Now this thing is went up over what CoinGecko say. This thing has moved already in 30 days 1000%. So I'm looking for it to cool off just naturally. I mean, with that kind of movement, it should cool off a bit. So yeah, but I think this thing could hit 46 cents right now. Is looking very bullish. If anything, I'm looking at a 0.38 retracement before it makes its next leg up. But if it takes it down to the 618 before its next move, I think there's nothing to be scared about. I say still hold on, because this is a great project. So that is my technical analysis on Chiliz. Let me know if you agree with it or not. Let me know what you think about Chiliz. I'm very bullish on Chiliz. Let me know if you're bearish, you're bullish, or you're indifferent. But I think this thing is gonna lead NFTs into a whole new market, into a whole new range with the NFT play that this thing is doing, and also with the fan coins. I feel like it's gonna bring a lot of eyes onto the crypto market, and I'm all about bringing some more exposure into crypto. So I'm very happy with what Chiliz is doing. So stick around, please like and subscribe if you like content like this, and comment down below. Let me know what other cryptos you want me to make videos on. I'm always listening to you guys and responding to you guys' comments. So yeah, like and subscribe, stay with me. I'm gonna keep finding ways for us to make some money. All right, I'll see you next time. One. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So before you go, one of the things I wanted to let you know about is token metrics. Now, I use token metrics to help me find winning projects, and what I built this community around is helping people find new ways to make money, okay? And I feel like token metrics is gonna help you become profitable in your portfolios. Now, what token metrics does is use artificial intelligence and machine learning to rank different cryptocurrencies and make sure you're getting the best for your money, okay? Now, what they do here is they look at the actual market cap rankings, they look at the code reviews, and they give you a quant grade based off what they learned through their artificial intelligence program and the machine learning that they leverage to make sure you're getting the best projects in your portfolios. They also have a toggle here to show if you're looking at an investment from a trader perspective or an investor perspective, okay? So it'll actually give you different ranked projects based off of how you're treating your portfolios. It'll show you top projects if you're a long-term investor and what you should invest in immediately, or if you're a trader, will be the best bets for you to hold within a month span or for a quarterly or yearly span. So I definitely think this is a great tool, and it cuts down that learning curve to make sure you're gaining profit immediately. So check out the links below, and you can sign up for a trial. It'll give you 7 days to check out what they do here, and you can leverage some of their AI and machine learning, and you can cancel before the trial period is over. So for the different plans, they have a holder plan, investor plan, and professional plan. And as you can see, you can have a 7-day trial for the holder plan for only $199 and an investor plan for $499. You can cancel before the 7-day trial, or let's say if you wanted to start off with the investor plan for $499, and you can always switch over to the holder plan for $29.99 a month before that 7-day trial is over. So take a look at token metrics. I believe this will be a great service that you're doing yourself if you want to be a crypto millionaire, or at least a crypto six-figure.